Welcome guys, so today I am with the Xiaomi Black Shark 5 Pro and I'm going to show you how Camera Pro mode looks in this phone. So we have to open the camera application and the first and we'll be in the photo mode. Next we have to go for the more modes and then we have to go for the Pro mode. Oh, that's my bad, sorry guys, we have to go for the left side. The Pro mode will appear next to the video mode. Okay, so at the first, when you enter for the Pro mode, I can recommend you to tap on this little information icon at the left bottom corner. As you can see right here, I have to change the position of the phone. That's all of the parameters that you can find right here with the description. So for example, if you don't know what is going on with the shutter speed and how to set it up, that's the good description. So get familiar with this one, and after that you will be able to use the Pro mode. So I'm going to show you all parameters. The first one is the white balance. That's 4 presets and the slider between 2000 kelvins and 800. Oh, sorry guys, I mean 2000 and 8000. No 800. Here we can set it automatically. Another one is the focus. When you go forward, we can wait a minute. Which just pissed me off. Okay. Another one is the shutter speed, so we can set it for the 30 seconds. That's the maximum value. Another one is the ISO between 50 and 6400. Exposure compensation -4 and the +4. And by the way, that's the only parameter that we cannot set up automatically. Right here we can also switch lenses. Just like that. In this place we can enable flashlight. Right here we got this different spot matching. We can enable also the Ultra HD mode. We can also get the filters. And that's all for the Pro mode and the Black Shark 5 Pro. So if you find this video helpful, just remember to leave a like, comment and of course subscribe to our channel.